Question 1. The density of structural steel is taken as. The correct answer is 7,850 kg divided by cubic meters. Question 2. Modulus of elasticity E of structural steel is. The correct answer is 2 × 10⁵ megapascals. Question 3. Poisson's ratio of steel in the elastic range is. The correct answer is 0.3. Question 4. Coefficient of thermal expansion for steel is. The correct answer is 12 × 10⁻⁻6 divided by degrees Celsius. Question 5. In limit state design, the partial safety factor for yield stress Ga millimeters A_M0 is. The correct answer is 1.10. Question 6. The partial safety factor for ultimate stress Ga millimeters A_M1 is. The correct answer is 1.25. Question 7. The partial safety factor for shop fabrication welds is. The correct answer is 1.25. Question 8. The partial safety factor for field welds is. The correct answer is 1.50. Question 9. Nominal diameter of a bolt is d. The diameter of the hole dh for d less than or equal to 25 mm is. The correct answer is d plus 1.5 mm for d less than 16 to d plus 2.0 mm. Question 9. For a bolt of nominal diameter 20 mm, the diameter of the hole is. The correct answer is 22 mm. Question 10. Minimum pitch of bolts should not be less than. The correct answer is 2.5 times nominal diameter. Question 11. Maximum pitch of bolts in the direction of stress for tension members is. The correct answer is 16 T or 200 mm. Question 12. Maximum pitch of bolts in compression members is. The correct answer is 12 T or 200 mm. Question 13. Minimum edge distance for hand flame cut edges is. The correct answer is 1.7 times hole diameter. Question 14. Minimum edge distance for machine flame cut rolled edges is. The correct answer is 1.5 times hole diameter. Question 15. Effective throat thickness of a fillet weld is. The correct answer is K** size of weld S. Question 16. For 90-degree angle between fusion faces, the value of K in fillet weld is. The correct answer is 0.70. Question 17. Minimum size of fillet weld for plates up to 10 mm thick is. The correct answer is 3 mm. Question 18. Effective length of a fillet weld should not be less than. The correct answer is 4 times size of weld. Question 19. Net area of a plate with staggered holes is calculated using. The correct answer is chain formula with p to the power of 2 divided by 4 grams correction. Question 20. Block shear failure occurs along. The correct answer is a shear path and a tension path. Question 21. Lug angles are used to. The correct answer is reduce the length of the connection. Question 22. Maximum slenderness ratio for a tension member carrying reversal of stress due to wind divided by seismic load is. The correct answer is 350. Question 23. Maximum slenderness ratio for a member carrying compressive loads from dead and live loads is. The correct answer is 180. Question 24. Maximum slenderness ratio for a lacing bar is. The correct answer is 145. Question 25. Slenderness ratio is the ratio of. The correct answer is effective length to minimum radius of gyration. Question 26. Effective length of a column effectively held in position and restrained against rotation at both ends is. The correct answer is 0.65 L. Question 27. Effective length of a column hinged at both ends is. The correct answer is 1.0 L. Question 28. Effective length of a column fixed at one end and free at the other is. The correct answer is 2.0 L. Question 29. Design compressive strength of a column depends on. The correct answer is yield stress and slenderness ratio. Question 30. Imperfection factor, alpha, is highest for buckling class. The correct answer is D. Question 31. Angle of inclination of lacing bars with the longitudinal axis should be. The correct answer is between 40 and 70 degrees. Question 32. Lacing bars are designed to resist a transverse shear force equal to. The correct answer is 2.5% of axial load. Question 33. Minimum width of lacing bar for 20 mm diameter rivet is. The correct answer is 60 mm 3 times dia. Question 34. Effective length of a single laced bar is. The correct answer is length between inner end bolts. Question 35. Effective length of a double laced bar is. The correct answer is 0.7 times length between inner end bolts. Question 36. Battens are designed for. The correct answer is longitudinal shear and bending moment. Question 37. Effective depth of battens should not be less than. The correct answer is distance between centroids of main members. Question 38. Thickness of battens should not be less than. The correct answer is 1 divided by 50 of distance between inner line of bolts. Question 39. Column splice is used to. The correct answer is join two column lengths. Question 40. Splices are ideally located at. The correct answer is points of contraflexure 1 divided by 4th height. Question 41. Column base which transmits load through bearing is. The correct answer is slab base. Question 42. Gusseted base is used when. The correct answer is load is heavy and column is large. Question 43. Minimum thickness of a rectangular slab base is derived based on. The correct answer is bending moment at critical section. Question 44. Shape factor is. The correct answer is plastic modulus divided by elastic modulus ZP divided by Z. Question 45. Shape factor for a rectangular section is. The correct answer is 1.5. Question 46. Shape factor for an I section about strong axis is typically. The correct answer is 1.12 to 1.14. Question 47. A beam section is classified as plastic if. The correct answer is it can develop plastic moment and hinge with sufficient rotation. Question 48. Design bending strength of a laterally supported beam is governed by. The correct answer is plastic moment capacity ZPFY divided by Ga millimeters A underscore M0. Question 49. Lateral torsional buckling occurs in. The correct answer is laterally unsupported beams. Question 50. Deflection of a steel beam is limited to. The correct answer is span divided by 300. Question 51. Shear lag effect causes. The correct answer is non-uniform stress distribution in wide flanges. Question 52. Web crippling occurs due to. The correct answer is concentrated loads causing local crushing at root radius. Question 53. Web buckling occurs when. The correct answer is web acts as a column under point load. Question 54. In plate girders, the web is designed to resist. The correct answer is shear force. Question 55. In plate girders, the flanges are designed to resist. The correct answer is bending moment. Question 56. Economical depth of a plate girder is approximately. The correct answer is 1.1 *SQRT m divided by FYTW. Question 57. Vertical stiffeners are provided to. The correct answer is prevent web buckling due to shear. Question 58. Horizontal longitudinal stiffeners are provided when d divided by tw exceeds. The correct answer is 200. Question 59. Bearing stiffeners are provided at. The correct answer is points of concentrated loads and supports. Question 60. Minimum web thickness to avoid buckling without stiffeners is. The correct answer is d divided by 67. Question 61. Gantry girders are designed for. The correct answer is vertical loads, lateral loads, and longitudinal loads. Question 62. Impact factor for electrically operated cranes in gantry girder design is. The correct answer is 25%. Question 63. The top flange of a gantry girder is often reinforced with a channel to. The correct answer is increase lateral stability and inertias. Question 64. Purlins in roof trusses are designed as. The correct answer is continuous beams. Question 65. Purlins are subjected to. The correct answer is biaxial bending. Question 66. Sag rods are used to. The correct answer is reduce span of purlins in the weak direction. Question 67. Principal rafter is a. The correct answer is top chord compression member. Question 68. Main tie is a. The correct answer is bottom chord tension member. Question 69. Live load on roof trusses IS 875 is calculated as. The correct answer is 0.750.02 angle 10 kN divided by square meters. Question 70. Wind load on roof trusses acts. The correct answer is perpendicular to the roof surface. Question 71. Basic wind speed VB in India ranges from. The correct answer is 33 to 55 meters divided by s. Question 72. Design wind pressure PZ is given by. The correct answer is 0.6 * VZ to the power of 2. Question 73. Internal pressure coefficient CPI for a building with less than 5% openings is. The correct answer is plus divided by 0.2. Question 74. Members of a truss are assumed to be connected by. The correct answer is frictionless pins, hinges. Question 75. The pitch of a roof truss is. The correct answer is rise divided by span. Question 76. Economical spacing of roof trusses is approximately. The correct answer is 1 divided by 3 to 1 divided by 5 of span. Question 77. Bolt value is the. The correct answer is minimum of shear capacity and bearing capacity. Question 78. Shear capacity of a bolt VDSB involves dividing ultimate strength by. The correct answer is √3. Question 79. The weakest section in a tension member is the. The correct answer is net section at the hole. Question 80. Shear lag width W depends on. The correct answer is effective width of flange and span length. Question 81. Tacking rivets, stitch bolts, are used to. The correct answer is prevent buckling of component parts between main bolts. Question 82. Maximum pitch of tacking bolts is. The correct answer is 32 T or 300 mm. Question 83. Beam column is a member subjected to. The correct answer is axial load and bending. Question 84. Interaction formula for beam column checks. The correct answer is P divided by P_design plus M divided by M_design less than or equal to 1. Question 85. Anchor bolts in a column base resist. The correct answer is uplift tension and moment. Question 86. Grillage foundation consists of. The correct answer is layers of steel beams encased in concrete. Question 87. Maximum deflection for a simply supported steel beam with brittle cladding is. The correct answer is span divided by 360. Question 88. Maximum deflection for a steel beam supporting manual crane is. The correct answer is span divided by 500. Question 89. Maximum deflection for a steel beam supporting electric crane capacity greater than 50 T is. The correct answer is span divided by 1000. Question 90. Minimum thickness of web in a plate girder for serviceability is. The correct answer is D divided by 200. Question 91. Ideally, angle sections in a truss should be connected to. The correct answer is both legs. Question 92. Minimum thickness of a structural steel plate for weather exposure is. The correct answer is 6 mm. Question 93. High-strength friction grip HSFG bolts transfer load by. The correct answer is friction between plates. Question 94. Proof stress for high-strength bolts is. The correct answer is 0.7 times ultimate strength. Question 95. Prying force in AT stub connection. The correct answer is increases tension in bolts. Question 96. A plastic hinge forms when. The correct answer is the entire cross-section has yielded. Question 97. Collapse load for a fixed beam with central point load is. The correct answer is 8 MP divided by L. Question 98. Collapse load for a simply supported beam with UDL is. The correct answer is 8 MP divided by L. Question 99. Splices in a compression member should be located. The correct answer is where bending moment is minimum near inflection points. Question 100. The design of a column base is primarily based on. The correct answer is bearing pressure on concrete.